If you're working in microelectronics or semiconductor manufacturing, you already know a datasheet is only the starting point. What matters is how polyacrylic acid behaves inside your process. Molecular weight and distribution influence viscosity, formulation stability, and overall process control. In tight manufacturing windows, even small variations between batches can become visible. Purity also deserves close attention. Trace metals or residual initiators may affect electrical behavior and long-term reliability, so analytical clarity is essential during qualification. Finally, understand how the solution performs under your specific conditions. pH response and substrate compatibility often determine whether scale-up proceeds smoothly. At Polysciences, we support teams selecting and qualifying polyacrylic acid for advanced electronics. If you have questions about grade selection or application data, visit our website to connect with our experts.